and welcome back to Fashion Attack. The other day, a friend of mine sent me on Instagram such a cool chair and I was like, whoa, this is awesome. I started scrolling through their feed and I was basically amazed by this table instead. It's so cool. They have it in high design, smaller ones, side tables, dining tables. I just knew I had to remake it. It's such a minimal but funky, modern vibe. I don't know how to describe it, but we are doing it. What you're gonna need is a bowl where to make your entire project, a few vases as legs, and the concrete, and some water. First things first, put your gloves on because last time I did it without, I destroyed my hands. Normally, what I would say is to put the vases inside and directly create the concrete or throw the concrete around the vases so that they will stay stuck inside. But in this case, we do not want to see the vases on the top of the table. We want it to be nice and smooth. So first, we are gonna create a base of 2-3 centimeters, slap it a little bit so that all the bubbles pop out. Also this nasty little one, and then wait 3-4 hours. Once you have it a little bit dry, we are gonna create now the mixture of the concrete where we do wanna stick our vases inside. So we're gonna create the concrete on a different bowl and then start pouring it inside our main bowl. Well, this was pretty slow, so I just decided to pour it inside directly like this. Basically, you're gonna need a final size of 5-6 centimeters. We're gonna make it all nice and smooth, and then we go inside with our vases. Yep. First attempt was to put them heads up, and I was wiggling the vases right and left so to explode all the air that was gonna get stuck inside the vase. Well, this did not work. So next attempt was simply to put them in the other direction and sew with the head down. This was super easy. It made the process super easy and all I had to do was wait. 2 days later, and we're ready to take it out from the shape. Let's do it. Super important is to land with all the legs on the floor at the same time so that the glass doesn't pop. You know the moment where I put the vases upside down and switch them? I'm gonna regret it like hell that I didn't clean them before because it's gonna take so much work to do this after. So first of all, don't put them backwards. Do it directly in the right direction. And in case you get them dirty, just wash them before the concrete dries. It's gonna save you so much work. Yeah, I'm gonna save you from looking at all the process. This took like forever to wash away. That was the final result and I think it's super cool. I really wish I could go and find now some super tall vases so that I could do a dining table out of that. I can't even imagine how cool it would be in the middle of a living room. But yeah, I know I didn't clean up the concrete so well, but that's just because I'm lazy and I'm super good in DIYs but super bad at cleaning. I guess anybody can testify for that. See you next time.